Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how small businesses can use HubSpot CRM step by step to manage customers, sales, and growth effectively in 2026. Let's start with the basics. HubSpot CRM is a free, easy-to-use platform that helps small businesses organize contacts, track sales, and manage customer relationships in one place. It's designed to work even if you have a small team or limited technical experience. First, go to HubSpot.com and sign up for a free account. Once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard with sections like contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and reports. Start by adding your contacts, go to Contacts, then click Create Contact to add customer details such as name, email, and phone number. You can also import contacts in bulk using a CSV or Excel file. Next, organize your contacts using properties like lifecycle stage, lead status, and owner. This helps you know who is a lead, who is a customer, and who needs follow-up. For managing sales, go to Sales, Deals. Deals represent your sales opportunities. Create a deal, enter the amount, select the stage, and assign an owner. As your sales progress, move deals through the pipeline stages. Email tracking is very useful for small businesses. Connect your Gmail or Outlook account so HubSpot can automatically log emails and show when customers open them. Use tasks to stay organized. Create tasks for calls, follow-ups, and meetings, so nothing is forgotten. HubSpot also allows basic automation. You can automatically assign owners, update stages, and create tasks when a deal changes status. To track performance, go to Reports, Dashboards. Here you can see deal progress, revenue, and sales activity at a glance. You can also use the HubSpot mobile app to manage contacts, deals, and tasks while on the go. In summary, HubSpot CRM helps small businesses save time, stay organized, and build stronger customer relationships. With the free tools, you can manage your entire sales process and scale your business confidently in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hello, everyone.